Hey y'all, and thanks for dropping by Design by Kathy. Today we're going to step outside the box a little bit and we're going to pour on something completely different than a canvas. Doing yet again another project for my own personal use. Think this will be fun, and I hope it'll give you some ideas of some things to try. So let's get set up and get right to it. So this is what I have. I have this really cute anchor that I purchased at Canton Trade Days in Canton, Texas at a place called Build Across. You can find them online as well. They have got a cutout of everything imaginable, and this is lightweight. I'm not real sure to tell you what this actually is. It's not hard, heavy wood. It's really lightweight, so it'll hang on the wall easy. Anyway, last video I did my little project for one of my bathrooms in real beachy colors. For my other bathroom, I'm chosen to go with more navies and pirate theme. I'm going to be using today one of my favorite colors, which is a midnight blue. And I also love this. This is a metallic brown. So I wanted that little bit in there because I've got a little bit of a rustic look in, pieces in the bathroom. To have a contrasting color, I've got this look, going to use a little bit of the metallic silver and just a little bit of black, just so I'll have some different colors swirling around in here. I have mixed each of these with my Floetrol, the Flood Floetrol. And again, with the Floetrol, use 1 part paint to 2 parts of the Floetrol. Mix thoroughly. You want to make sure that you stir completely each of your colors. And right before you start to put them in your cup to do your layers, stir it one more time. It never hurts. You would just want to make sure that it is thoroughly mixed. I love this metallic brown. Isn't that cool? It's going to be so pretty. And I don't know, I didn't want to use white, so we'll see how the silver does. But did want to have needed a lighter contrasting color. So I'm going to start with my blue. My 2 predominant colors are going to be my blue and my brown. And I'm going to just kind of layer these in here. A little bit of that, a little bit of that, and a little bit of the black. And then my metallic brown. Back with my navy. And my silver. My little bit of black. And this gorgeous brown. And I'm going to finish it off with the navy and the brown. Now I've got my anchor here elevated on some old paint cans that I have. So what I'm going to do is just start pouring, drizzling along. It's going to be a little bit different to control the runoff, but I'm not going to worry so much about that. Okay, now for the fun. We're going to see where it goes. It's going to be a little bit different to control. Get that point. Uh-oh. Like I said, this is a little different. I've not poured on anything like this. I've poured on bottles. But I just thought this would be fun and really add to what I'm trying to do in this as a wall hanging in this bathroom. Now, I've got a lot left, and I'm just going to try to drizzle. Don't want to blend it all together because then you have a muddy look. But I just want to try, and oh, that's working out pretty good there, even if I say so myself. I'm going to flip it back this way. Got a little bubble there. Yeah, got a little blob there. We don't want blobs. I want to make sure it's inside because, you know, that part will be seen. I'm not worried about the backside. I was initially going to completely tape this off, but nobody's going to see the backside. So I decided not to waste the tape and time to do that. You are certainly, you know, just depending on what's going to be seen and whatever, you can tape off the back. When you tape off something like this, now if I were doing resin, which I thought about, but I don't have any resin on this, but if you do resin, you definitely want to tape off the back. That bubble doesn't want to go away, does it, folks? This is going to be way prettier than I thought. I love it. Just wanted to make sure everything that's going to be seen has some paint on it. And I'm just kind of dipping in where the paint has run off and filling in these little places along the way. Again, making sure that I've got all these little edges covered because they will be seen when it's hanging on the wall. Oh, this is going to be a fun piece that is going to look perfect on my wall with navy. And like I said, some of the more rustic, I found a toilet paper holder that's actually an anchor as well, and it's in the kind of real rustic, not bronze, whatever, trying to think of here. It's not coming out, but anyway. This is going to be so pretty. And how much fun. Alright, I think that I have gotten all the little edges, all the little parts. We have a little runoff here, but I did not waste a tremendous amount of paint. So that's always a good thing. And What a unique, cool looking piece. I'm super happy with this. I want to thank you all for watching. I appreciate your comments. I look forward to your comments, your likes, your shares, and your thumbs up for sure, folks. And please share with your friends and get a group of people together and do something fun and make something cool. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to check the links down below. I appreciate you all so much. Have a great day.